Hi, I'm Joy Daniels. Are you thinking about selling your Central Pennsylvania home in the next year? If your answer is yes, join me with our industry experts for a virtual home selling workshop on June 15th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. It's called How to Get Top Dollar in the Summer and Fall Home Selling Market, and we'll answer all of your home selling questions. We'll talk about how to prepare your home in today's market. We'll have a stager, lender, and home inspector to join us. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we will discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Are buyers motivated right now? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attract home buyers now? Should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. Space is limited to 25 homeowners, so don't delay. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out via phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We look forward to hearing from you.